So hey everybody, thanks first and foremost for watching the videos that you have so far. We hope you guys appreciate it. Obviously, you know, we are getting our start on everything, and I will be clipping this a lot because we don't know what we're saying.
So we're part of the Global Convoy, and this is one of our new playlists about our van project. Joelle and I are trying to build a van for the Mayhem trip, and this is a short series of videos we've made to show people what to do and what not to do when building a van.
Well, probably what not to do.
We hope you enjoy them. This is our kind of like first time filming and editing a little series ourselves, so...
If you hadn't noticed, Max usually is the one who films most, or not films, but does most of the editing for the other videos that we have. But now we are starting to pick up a couple of different episodes, specifically the van, so you will notice some difference in editing, so please bear with us on to the learning curve of that. We're trying. Yes, Premiere Pro is fun. We hope you guys enjoy us putting the van together. Hopefully you learned something. Most likely, I'm guessing you're going to learn what not to do. But yeah, we hope it's going to be fun, and we hope you guys enjoy watching it. In case you guys were wondering, it is Totoro.
Tiny hook, just in case we lose our hands during the process and we need to become a captain. Anyway, so.
Alright, so brief description of
our project.
Yeah. Well, so we were talking on the convoy for like a year and a half about getting a van. So we are very excited to show you our new home. It's a big old van.
Obviously it's something that costs a lot of money and there's a lot of sort of expectations, so we thought we'd give ourselves the challenge.
Convert a van
into a tiny living space.
The convoy definitely taught us a lot of strange ways to fix things.
So we figured we would try and see what we could achieve from making it completely from recycled materials and things that were given to us, offcuts, throwouts, and to just try and make it happen. So here we have a lovely selection of insulation that we have collected.
Another job site today. I found all this throwaway ecotherm.
This is a bit of like the wild card. We're not really sure if it's going to be useful or if we're going to use it.
Coming to the understanding of why not everybody just takes pallets apart. Because they're not really easy to take apart. They're not designed to be taken apart. Which is just like, oh, why? It's so annoying.
And they gave us this. Gold plated.
And we were chatting about wood, and we were telling we got enough wood.
I run a small timber company called Woodlouse Industries, based in West Sussex. We supply all sorts of locally grown weird and wonderful timbers to people. We want to see how far these bits of wood are going to go in the mighty camper van.
So far with the van, we've been so incredibly lucky with everybody's enthusiasm and people just coming together to help us out. And we're not going to be doing this van the right way, but it will be done. It's going to be done with lots of friends and lots of enthusiasm, typical convoy style.